Zombie Apocalypse.
Sparta under siege. Before I ruled, the Roman Empire's invasion of the free world, led by the Emperor Tiberius, mercilessly spread towards our land. We watched helplessly as Athens fell, and the rest of Greece was taken over. The city of Sparta remained defiant. Enemy torches had never before illuminated our great city walls, and as Spartan warriors, we would stand firm against the Empire. The early skirmishes cost Sparta dearly. The greatest of our warriors fought and fell. King Leonidas called on the newly trained and inexperienced soldiers like my brother and myself. We had to return with our shields, or upon them.
Warriors of Sparta! Today, our city faces her greatest enemy. The forces of the Roman Empire encircle our walls. Many of our finest brothers have fallen, defending our freedom and this great land. This day, you will honor their sacrifices and fulfill your destiny as Spartans!
Do not be afraid, mortal. I am Ares, god of war. I present myself as an ally. The answers you have sought throughout your life have brought you to this moment. You possess formidable warrior skills, yet you have no past, no family, not even a name. I will aid you in your quest to defend your city and discover the truth you seek. And in doing so, you will deliver the vengeance I desire.
You have not completed your training, nor faced the enemy in battle. But as warriors of Sparta, each of you is worth 100 Romans! Stand firm, for our victory today will be remembered for eternity! To battle!
Look at this!
King Leonidas was right. The city is surrounded. The Roman arrows will darken the sun.
Good. We shall have our battle in the shade. Let's go.
Troops assemble, General Crassus.
It is time to complete our conquest of Greece.
Soldiers of Rome! Under my command, all the cities of Greece have fallen before the might of our empire. Only the city of Sparta remains, and today we will celebrate our final victory. Slaughter these arrogant Spartans for Rome, for Emperor Tiberius, and for the spoils of conquest. Attack! To the walls!
Take out the Centurions! Then our sappers can destroy the towers! There should be one Centurion inside each tower! Kill the Centurions first!
Charge!
Hold the line. Make them come to us.
Middle tower!
Kill the Spartan archers!
Draw them back into the courtyard!
Right-hand tower is open. Get that Centurion.
Sapper, we've cleared the way for you! Let's go! Let's go! Blow up those siege towers!
Cover me while I get this bomb to the tower. Spartan, keep the Romans off me. I can't fight if I'm carrying this bomb.
Spartan sappers! Kill them!
Quick, Spartan, light the fuse.
More blood, I need more.
This bomb will blow up if it takes too much damage, and neither of us wants that to happen.
Stop that sapper! Don't let him reach the siege towers!
Quick, Spartan, light the fuse.
Spartan sappers! Kill them!
Quick, Spartan, light the fuse.
Comrades! There's trouble in the next field! King Leonidas commands you to go there immediately.
I've got the key! Follow me! This way!
Stick with us!
Let's slaughter all these Romans! Got to keep them away from the gates! They mustn't get into the city!
This lever opens the portcullis, so our Spartan reinforcements can get through.
King Leonidas is joining the battle! Watch his back!
Here they come! Looks like a whole legion.
Push them off the walls! Don't let them breach the gates!
They've reached the gate!
They're attacking the gate! They're attacking the gate! out, Spartans! Now get to the gates! The Romans are preparing to attack!
This way! The Romans are getting ready to turn their war machine on the city gates! We have to bring it down! This way!
Stick with us!
This is why we need you novices. Look at all those Romans. They're probing our walls now, looking for weak spots. If they find one, they'll break through and swarm all over us like ants on a lion.
What? What's happening? Look out, report! Zeus and Athena, what is that thing?
Quickly, Spartan, don't let it reach the walls.
Fire these catapults when they're loaded. The crew will tell you when each catapult is ready. Look, there are siege engineers in their ranks. These engineers will try to smash the gate open. Use this to tip the cauldron of boiling oil onto them. They're trying to destroy the cauldron! The engineers are right below us! Use the cauldron! The engineers are right below us! Use the cauldron! They're trying to destroy the cauldron! What are you waiting for? Activate the catapult!
Hurry, Spartan! Fire the catapult! Hurry, Spartan! Fire the catapult!
They're trying to destroy the cauldron! The engineers are right below us! Use the cauldron! Quickly! Fire the catapult at Talus! They're trying to destroy the cauldron! The engineers are right below us! Use the cauldron!
Spartan, fire the catapult at Talus!
Fire that catapult, Spartan! Now! They're trying to destroy the cauldron! The engineers are right below us! Use the cauldron!
How come we don't have one of those?
That was the worst shooting I've ever seen, soldier. When I tell you to stop something, I expect you to stop it before it can do any damage. That was a perfectly serviceable building before you let that thing fall on it.
I thought he'd be pleased.
Can't you tell? He is.
Now, get to your posts. The Romans aren't finished with Sparta yet.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,